Bay windows can bring an elegant touch to any home, offering panoramic views, natural light, and extra space. If you're considering installing bay windows in Brandon, it's crucial to approach the process with care. While they add charm and functionality to a room, the installation can be tricky if not done correctly. To ensure your bay windows are installed properly and efficiently, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Neglecting to consider the structural integrity. One of the most critical aspects of installing bay windows is ensuring that the structure can support the additional weight. Bay windows extend outward from the building, meaning they often require extra support. Homeowners may overlook the fact that the installation could potentially weaken the walls or foundation if not done properly. It's essential to assess the structural integrity of the area before installation. If the walls or foundation aren't reinforced to bear the weight of the new window, it can lead to shifting, cracking, or even serious damage over time. Tip: always consult a professional contractor to evaluate your home's structure and ensure it can support the new bay window installation. Improper measurement. Accurate measurements are the foundation of any successful window installation. When installing bay windows, one of the biggest mistakes is failing to measure the window space accurately. If the window is too large, it will not fit correctly, while a smaller window will leave gaps, leading to inefficient insulation and potential water leakage. Tip: double-check your measurements and consider hiring a professional installer to ensure precise fitting. Even small discrepancies can cause significant problems down the line. Choosing the wrong materials. The materials you choose for your bay window play a significant role in its durability, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic appeal. In Brandon's often unpredictable climate, it's important to select materials that can handle temperature changes and humidity levels effectively. Opting for cheap or unsuitable materials could lead to premature wear and tear, and in extreme cases, damage from weather elements. Tip: choose high-quality materials that are both weather-resistant and energy-efficient, such as double-glazed glass and durable frames made from materials like vinyl, wood, or fiberglass. Ignoring insulation. The bay window installation can result in drafts if the insulation is not properly addressed. Gaps around the window can cause energy loss, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. This can lead to higher energy bills and discomfort in the home, especially in the colder months. Tip: ensure that insulation is properly installed around the window frame, and seal any potential gaps to prevent drafts. Pay attention to the windowsill and surrounding areas to ensure airtight sealing. Not considering the exterior appearance. Bay windows can significantly alter the exterior appearance of your home. If not properly integrated with the existing design of your property, they can disrupt the aesthetic harmony. Homeowners may not account for how the bay window will look in relation to the roofline, siding, and other architectural features. A mismatch can make the addition feel out of place, reducing your home's curb appeal. Tip: take time to consider the design and placement of the bay window to ensure it complements the style of your home. Consult with an architect or designer if necessary to achieve a seamless integration. Skipping professional installation. Bay window installation is not a DIY project for the average homeowner. Improper installation can lead to a range of issues, from leaks to structural damage. It's tempting to cut costs by attempting the installation yourself, but the risks involved far outweigh any potential savings. Experienced professionals understand the complexities of bay window installations and will ensure that the window is securely fixed, properly insulated, and correctly sealed. Tip: always hire a licensed and experienced contractor who specializes in bay window installations to avoid the pitfalls of a DIY project. Overlooking local building codes and permits. Another mistake many homeowners make is failing to check local building codes and obtain the necessary permits for bay window installation. In Brandon, there are likely regulations surrounding the size, placement, and structural requirements of bay windows. Skipping this step can lead to fines, delays, or even forced removal of the window if it's found to be in violation of local laws. Tip: before starting your project, check with your local authorities to ensure you have the necessary permits and meet all building codes. Conclusion: installing bay windows in your home can be a rewarding upgrade, but it requires careful planning and attention to detail. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a smooth installation process and enjoy the benefits of your new bay window for years to come. Whether you choose to hire a professional or take on the project yourself, always prioritize structural integrity, proper insulation, and a professional finish to create a beautiful, functional, and long-lasting feature in your home.